The holidays are approaching, Playmobil pals. What better way to celebrate than with a holiday clicky? Welcome back for another Playmo AF unboxing and review. Today we are taking a look at the Playmobil Special Plus set number 70877. This is the Christmas Baker with a cookie cutter. Released in August of 2022, this set comes with a little Playmobil cookie cutter, as pictured on the top right. Maybe not the best picture to show of our cookie cutter that's included here, but just enough to generate excitement for it. I hope it's not that small. But the set does come with 14 pieces, including our clicky that I'm very eager to take out. I do like the fact that she has what I think might be a new hairstyle, at least for my personal collection. And I like the fact that she's wearing an ugly sweater. As you may or may not know, ugly sweater contests and spirit days during the week of Christmas are very popular, especially in America. They're quite enjoyable to see what people can come up with in regards to an ugly sweater. And it looks like this clicky is not an exception to that sort of talent. So it's really cool that she's wearing antlers too. I wouldn't have expected that. I thought that just wearing an ugly sweater would have just been enough, but it looks like she's got the whole getup going here. She is holding a tray of cookies, which may or may not have just gotten out of the oven, while she's got another tray on top of the oven with what looks like bars of chocolate. So that adds to the excitement of opening this package today. And we've got the Special Plus logo on the left side here. Moving it to the far right, we do have a continuation of that front image there. Going over to the left side completely, we've got the barcode and the recycle symbol. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. The backside has more choking hazard warnings and all of our pieces photographed individually, including our little cookie cutter, which I'm very excited about. But enough of the box details, guys. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. Check this out. A Special Plus with a little pamphlet inside. Oh, showcasing some of our other Special Plus figures that are available for 2022, which we've gotten quite a few of these and have done unboxing videos for. This even has instructions with what to do with your cookie cutter. Here's a small sheet of stickers. It's a little bit bent here, but I think we'll be able to manage. Here's the base of our stove. Here's our chocolate squares. Check out our little Christmas cookies here. That's really cool. Let's go ahead and put them in the tray. Here's our little carton. I'm not sure exactly what this is supposed to be for. Are they cookies? We got an extra, but no sticker to go with it.
That's okay. Extra pieces are good.
And here's our clicky. As you can see, she is wearing her very festive and rather ugly Christmas sweater. I'm not sure what this white pattern here is on the top of her pants. I don't know if this is part of the sweater, like fringe hanging off the sweater, or maybe it's the shirt that she's supposedly wearing underneath the sweater. As you can see, she does come with two cuffs that we need to put on her shirt, but actually she did come with three. Here are the deer ears and antlers that we need to put on her head. Here's our clicky all together, complete with the deer antlers, red sweater, pink pants, kind of magenta really, and she's got on gray ankle boots. She looks cute overall, even though this is just such a weird costume. Again, we have the stove base. Here's the stove back. Here it is with the back snapped on and that little lip sticking up from the back. And here's the motor. I mean the door. This is the door to the oven, and it was upside down. And here's our stove, complete with countertop and decorative backing. And then here's our little baggie of cookies here with our tray of chocolate. Okay, so it's not the best. Sorry about that. But yeah, as you can see, the tray, it's got to be manipulated a little bit, but it does actually fit on that top portion there. And that there's our Christmas baker with a couple of extra pieces.
Well, hold on, sugar. What about my cookie cutter?
Oh yeah, our cookie cutter, of course. How could I have forgotten? Here it is. It's a very nice size, actually. It's maybe 4 inches, maybe 4.5, 5 inches, I'm not sure. But as you can see, it is a girl with a long ponytail over to the side, and she's got our trademark Playmobil smile. For a size comparison, here's the box, and here's the cookie cutter. As you can see, the box is maybe just a few millimeters taller than the actual cookie cutter. Just right to fit it in.
Well, what do you plan on doing with that cookie cutter?
Making cookies.
Oh, well, bless your heart.
Aw, thanks. Wait a minute. What do you mean by that? And that concludes this unboxing and review of the Playmobil set number 70877, the Christmas Baker with Cookie Cutter. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. Just a reminder that next week is Christmas and we've got a Christmas episode coming along, so stay tuned for that, and we will see you sometime in 2025. Everybody have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Well, hold on. What about my cookie cutter? Sugar?
Here are the deer antlers and ears that are gonna. I mean, that's what it's for. I'm not sure what this white pattern here is on the top of her pants. I don't know. I don't know if this is. And that is the end of our unboxing and review of the Playmobil Christmas Baker with Cookie Cutter set 70877 for Playmobil. Here are the
Well, what do you plan on doing with that cookie cutter?
Making cookies?
Oh, well, bless your heart.
Well, that was rude.
Well, bless your heart.
I know you don't mean that.
Well, bless your heart.
You know, yeah, you just go on. Get out of here.
Well, bless your heart.
Yeah, okay, you just take your princess complex elsewhere. Thank you.